Hey everyone, welcome back. In our series so far, we've built some great RAG pipelines, but here's a secret. Vector search, while fast, can sometimes retrieve noisy or irrelevant data. Today, we're implementing re-ranking with Cohere. We'll learn how to take a large list of retrieved documents and resort them using a more powerful cross-encoder model to ensure the LLM gets only the absolute best context. This is the key to moving from a prototype to a production-grade system. First, we need to install our dependencies. We need the core LlamaIndex libraries, the Grok LLM integration, and specifically the Llama-Index- Postprocessor- Cohere- Rerank package. This last one is what allows us to plug Cohere's re-ranking intelligence directly into our LlamaIndex query engine. In Cell 2, we set up our environment. We load our API keys and initialize our primary models. We're using the ultra-fast Llama 3.370 billion via Grok as our main brain. For embeddings, we're using the open-source BGE small model from Hugging Face. We attach these to our global settings so they are used by default across the entire pipeline. Now let's initialize the star of the show, the Cohere Reranker. You'll need a Cohere API key for this. Notice the top underscore n equals 2 parameter. This is important. It tells the system, retrieve a large set of documents first, but after re-ranking them, only send the top two most accurate ones to the LLM. This saves tokens and keeps the answer highly focused. Let's put it into action. We create 3 sample documents about how re-ranking works. We build our index as usual, but look at the query underscore engine setup. We set similarity underscore top underscore k to 5, meaning we pull 5 documents from the vector store initially. Then we pass our re-ranker into the node underscore postprocessors list. When we ask how does re-ranking work, the system finds 5 matches. Cohere re-evaluates them, picks the best 2, and Grok generates the final response based on that refined context. To summarize, re-ranking is a 2-stage process. Stage 1 is fast vector retrieval, and stage 2 is precise re-ranking. Using Cohere with LlamaIndex is a massive win for retrieval quality. It allows you to be more generous with your initial search and let the re-ranker do the heavy lifting of finding the needle in the haystack.